I'm Old Sneelock. Welcome to another episode of Old Sneelock's Workshop. Okay, drawn down as tightly as I can get it. Check the chuck. Just that interrupted cut tends to make it come loose. Yep, got a little more out of it. Check the chuck. Just that interrupted cut tends to make it come loose. Yep, got a little more out of it. Okay, got a 1-inch bore all the way through. Probably a little oversized. And this is kind of disturbing. I shouldn't have been able to chew up that drill bit. This is a Harbor Freight Silver and Deming drill bit, which means it's probably a really inferior product. Yeah, the shank pulled a few burrs on it too. And the edges dulled off quite a bit. This is most concerning though, because this is supposed to be smaller than this so that it doesn't rub. And this rubbed on both sides, which means this drill bit is either bent or not round to start with. That's okay though. We got a 1-inch hole bored all the way through it. Now I can turn down this to make the shaft that the axle is going to go through, and I'll put double set screws on this side so that this will lock onto the shaft and drive the wheel. If you have any suggestions for a new video, questions about today's video, or any of the other videos on the channel, just drop a note in the comments. You know I read them all. Thanks for watching. This video is not to be viewed by anyone under the age of 13 in the US or 16 in the European Union, without the express written permission of the parents or legal guardians of the underage person. Such written permission must be on file at the local government entity in charge of enforcing the rules and regulations established by the FTC. Anyone violating these terms is admitting by default that they hold harmless the owners and operators of this channel. Any and all questions should be addressed to your local branch of the FTC.